Listen up, gentlemen. Let me ask you something straight. What if I told you there's one overlooked spot on your body, most men never even think about it, that could completely change the way your body performs in the bedroom? No, I'm not talking about your penis itself. I'm not talking about popping pills, endless routines, or expensive treatments. I'm talking about a hidden control center inside your body. And when you learn how to wake it up, using just a simple oil you can buy at any store, you can reignite the kind of confidence and strength you thought was long gone. Curious? Good. Because once I show you how to find this spot and how to use it properly, you'll never look at your body the same way again. But before we get into the how, let me break down the why. Because once you understand what's happening inside your body after 50, everything will make sense. Here's the truth most men don't hear. If you're struggling with weaker erections, it's not about being less of a man. It's not your fault. Erections are not just about arousal. They're the result of a perfect team effort. Your brain, your hormones, your blood vessels, your nerves, and your muscles. When you're younger, this team works like a championship squad. Quick, strong, reliable. But after 50, some players on that team start slowing down. Your blood vessels stiffen with age, meaning they don't expand as easily to rush blood where it needs to go. Your testosterone slowly declines, shaving off a little drive and energy every single year. Your nerve endings lose sensitivity, so what used to feel electric now feels muted. And those deep pelvic muscles, the ones that trap blood in your penis, can weaken over time, making it harder to stay firm once you get going. Sound familiar? That's because nearly every man over 50 feels these changes in some way. But here's the myth I want to bust. These changes don't mean it's over. Your body can bounce back. You just have to know how to wake it up again. If you're new here, my name is Dr. Jocelyn, and for the past 5 years, I've specialized in helping men over 50 reclaim their vitality, their strength, and yes, their confidence in the bedroom. I've worked with men who felt completely hopeless, who thought their best years were behind them, and I've seen simple, natural approaches give them their lives back, without dangerous drugs, without complicated routines, and without embarrassment. Today, I want to share with you one of the simplest yet most overlooked techniques I've seen work time and time again. A castor oil massage on a single powerful spot in your body. But before I show you the exact step-by-step, let's count down the 5 key things this hidden spot controls in your performance. Because once you hear them, you'll understand why this one area matters more than almost anything else. 5. Ignoring the pelvic floor muscle. This muscle, the bulbospongiosus, acts like a clamp. Its job is to keep blood locked inside your penis once you're aroused. If it's weak, blood slips out and firmness fades. Massage in the right place reawakens this muscle. Think of it like reminding an old engine how to fire again. 4. Overlooking the pudendal nerve. This nerve is your pleasure highway. It carries every signal from your penis to your brain. If it's sluggish, everything feels dulled. Massaging this spot helps resensitize the nerve, which can make intimacy feel alive again. 3. Starving blood flow. Without strong circulation, there's no erection, period. The perineal area is packed with arteries that feed your erectile tissue. Gentle castor oil massage encourages those vessels to open wider, pulling in oxygen-rich blood. 2. Allowing tension to build. Years of sitting, stress, and even poor posture tighten the deep muscles between your hips. This creates hidden pressure, which literally strangles blood flow. Massage loosens that grip, freeing up circulation. 1. Forgetting the lymphatic system. This system is your body's cleanup crew. When it's sluggish, toxins linger, making healing slow. Castor oil penetrates deep into tissues, stimulating the lymphatic flow, which supports faster recovery and overall vitality. See how this one spot connects every system that matters? Blood, nerves, muscles, hormones, and healing? That's why we're focusing on it today. All right, let's get practical. Here's exactly how to try this at home. Preparation. Clean and dry the area between your scrotum and anus. This is your perineum. Warm the oil. Use 1 teaspoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil. Warm it gently between your palms. Positioning. Lie back or sit comfortably with your knees slightly apart. Massage Apply slow, firm but gentle pressure with circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. You should feel the muscle underneath, but never pain. Heat boost. Place a warm, damp towel over the area for 10 to 15 minutes to deepen penetration and circulation. Do this once in the evening and let your body work overnight. Some men notice subtle changes, like warmth, tingling, or stronger morning erections within a week. Others see steady improvement over 2 to 4 weeks. Be patient. You're not forcing your body, you're retraining it. Now, let me pause and say this. If you've been feeling frustrated, embarrassed, or even hopeless, you are not alone. Every man who walks into my office carries not just physical concerns, but emotional ones too. Loss of firmness isn't just about sex, it's about dignity, intimacy, even how you see yourself as a man. And I want you to hear me clearly. Age does not erase your manhood. Your body is not broken. It's simply asking for the right support. And what I love about this technique is that it's safe, private, and completely natural. No one needs to know but you. So here's my challenge for you. Tonight, try this castor oil massage. Commit to doing it regularly for the next few weeks. Support it with healthy daily habits, hydration, leafy greens, good fats, a little movement, and moments of peace to reduce stress. Because when you give your body what it needs, it will surprise you. It will remind you that strength, vitality, and confidence aren't things of the past. They're still within you, waiting to be unlocked. This is Dr. Jocelyn, reminding you that no matter your age, you deserve to feel alive, capable, and confident in your own body. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, tell me where you're watching from, and hit subscribe for more ways to stay strong and vibrant after 50. Your body knows how to heal. Sometimes it just needs the right encouragement. Take care of yourself and never stop believing in the power you still have.